Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check Klarna credit limit. First of all, open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your phone and log into your account. After that, go to My Klarna. Tap on the My Klarna tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select Klarna credit or payment methods. Look for Klarna credit or payment methods to check your available spending limit. After that, view your available credit. Your current credit limit will be displayed along with your available balance. Then check for limit increases. Klarna may adjust your credit limit over time based on your spending and repayment history. Then use responsible spending. Klarna offers a flexible limit but always spend within your means to maintain good financial health. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.